Let's do something we like to call social media check-in, where we try to answer some more social media questions.
Right, Jesu Damiola saying, hey, I went on my green card interview with my U.S. citizen husband in June, but I haven't gotten any reply from USCIS. What do you think is going on? It's been 5 months.
I don't know, but you should file a mandamus.
Shelly Benson saying, how long does it take for USCIS to approve an I-130 that was filed in July 2019?
It should be less than 12 months. If it's more than 12 months, see my answer to my last question.
All right. Robert saying, how can I prove to an interview officer that my police clearance is unobtainable in China due to loss of passport a few weeks to my exit of, or within a few weeks to my exit of China?
I don't know what it takes to get a police clearance in China. There's availability of documents everywhere. So you have to be able to prove that that document's unavailable according to the Foreign Affairs Manual, or if it is available, that you followed the instructions and got something official back saying it's unavailable for XYZ.
Okay. Vijaya saying, how many days before we can apply for EAD renewal? Is it 180 or 90 days?
Do it 120 days beforehand, and then you get 180 days after.
Okay, Medu saying, my EAD and I-485 was submitted. I'm converting it to VAWA. How many months will it take for my EAD card to arrive?
3 to 6 months.
Okay, and Miss Conscious saying, my case was filed on October 8th. How long does it normally take to get it approved from USCIS?
What was your case?
Nadine.
How would I know? I filed some papers. How long till they stamp it? I don't know.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Nadine, my cousin did her VAWA case and it's approved from May and she still hasn't received her work permit as of yet.
How do you know it was approved? What was approved? If it was approved, if her VAWA case was approved, she should have a green card, right?
Yeah, but
right?
She says she hasn't received her work permit yet.
Why should she have a green card if it was approved?
So say they didn't receive the green card yet. Maybe that's what they meant. Because she said
Call
her
the
cousin.
mailman. I don't know. You're asking me why something. What? By the way, the last 3 questions were so vague. It's absolutely impossible to answer them.
All right.
You need to give me a little more information to go on. Other than that, this magic 8 ball is coming out every question.
There you go.
I don't want to pull it out every question.
All right. Miyazi saying, am I qualified to apply for an EAD? I filed an asylum, went for an interview, but was sent to court. 157 days has gone now.
Yes, apply.
Yuli saying, why a DWI in New York is a crime of moral turpitude?
Why? Because you have a bad mind. Moral turpitude means you have a bad mind. So somewhere written in that law, I don't know what the actual wordage is, shows that you intentionally or with knowledge or with something in your head knew what you were doing and it was wrong. And it shows that you're a person of bad morals.
Right. All right, Nico Suave saying, how do I change my child's birth date on the N400 if I made a mistake on the I-751? Is it advisable to apply for naturalization online compared to by mail?
Either one works, and any mistakes you could always fix at the interview.
Okay, Jan Pereira saying, hey guys, great show. I received my EAD combo card. I went to travel, but I'm a little nervous because I overstayed my visa almost 2 decades ago.
Don't worry about it.
D. Forbes saying, is it best to file for an I-130 and I-485 at the same time?
Yes.
All right, Ben Londa saying, how long does it take to get a work authorization after having done your biometrics for adjustment of status?
It should be 3 to 6 months from the time you file.
Simone Brown saying, how long is it taking now to get a work permit after doing biometrics? I filed in August, did my biometrics September 20th.
September, October, November, December, January. You should get it by February.
Olowaro saying, my friend's son put in an application for an I-130, but the son passed away. What can she do now?
You can have a family member substitute in.
All right, and our last one right now is Daisy Martinez saying, hey Brad, is it safe to travel on an advanced parole? I filed my AOS through VAWA. If I got arrested 2 years ago on a false statement of my abuse ex-husband, the case was dismissed. I was found not guilty.
Travel, but bring the disposition to show the not guilty if you're ever asked at the interview, but it's okay to travel.
There you go.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.